An príomh-buntáiste town just go bhfuil in an tactaisteach agus a teanga féinú úsáid. Tá sé tábhachtta dún an seirbhíse chur ar fáil trí Gaeilge. Tá an Gaeilge ar an website volunteergalway.ie agus tá daoine an cainteas Gaeilge nuair a hagann siad isteach. Well, we wanted to find out as part of our application whether there were people using our service who had Irish and who would like to speak Irish as part of their volunteering. We found out that there were actually a lot of people in the city and in the county who were comfortable enough speaking Irish or fluent in Irish, and they were very interested in speaking Irish as part of volunteering. It's been really good, I suppose, as well as that, even the reaction from the staff. A lot of the staff in here, maybe their Irish isn't that great, but they value Irish and they think it's a great thing that we're doing. It's very satisfying to work with the volunteer centre. Like we say to people, like, the majority of people that come into our service are nice people who want to do good things in the community, so it's great now to be in a position as well to be able to use Irish to help Irish speakers to do it as well.